Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Solidworks version and that you have administrative rights, because menu layouts differ by release. Open Solidworks and load either the default or your saved UI profile. This ensures consistent starting points. Once done, make sure the command manager is visible. If it is hidden, right-click the toolbar area and enable it. You're now ready to access the menu layout tools. These steps prevent version mismatches and missing toolbars later when you customize commands and menus. You next open the Customize dialog by right-clicking any toolbar area and selecting Customize, because that centralizes menu and toolbar editing. In the Commands tab, drag commands to the menu bar to add functionality, or drag them out to remove. This direct manipulation shows immediate results. Then switch to Toolbars and Menus tabs to reorder entries, create separators, or dock the menu bar where you want it. Make changes incrementally so you can test functionality after each adjustment and avoid breaking workflows. You finish by saving the layout. Open Tools, Customize options, and store the modified UI to your profile so it persists between sessions. Export the profile file as a backup, particularly before major updates or sharing with others. If menus behave oddly, reset the UI to defaults or start Solidworks in safe mode to isolate add-in conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: disable recently added add-ins, then restart Solidworks. Many menu issues trace to incompatible or corrupted add-ins rather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.